Good morning students, I am Swati from Oxford High School, Uppagundur. Okay, before we have to theory problems, multiplications, divisions, type of problems. Okay, today some same problem, that's the type of question only. Okay. Every child in our school bring a water bottle containing 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water. If all the water is poured into a container which has 2 kiloliter of capacity. 2 kiloliter of capacity of water. It was found that it needed 600 liters more to be filled. How many children poured water bottle in the container? Problem is big problem. Okay, answer is small one only. First we have to understand, read the question 1 or 2 times only. Okay, first we read problem, given problem, read 1 or 2 times only. Okay, every child in our school bring a water bottle. Okay, this one. Every child come to school, take 1 bottle. Okay, bring a water bottle containing 2 liters of water. Okay, that bottle water weight is 2 liters. Next, if all the water bottle is poured into a container which has 2 kiloliters, question we can understand. If all the water is poured into a container, poured means into a container which has 2 kiloliters of capacity of water. It was found that it needed 600 liters more to be filled. How many children poured water bottle in the container? Okay. Every child come to school bring water bottle containing in 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water in all the water bottle poured into a container. 2 kiloliters of capacity of water bottle found that it needed to 600 liters. For example, this one is container. Okay, this one is container. Every child 2 kiloliters of bring water bottle in poured into 2 liters of bottle in container. Okay, to be filled, remaining filled how much ma? 600 liters more to be filled. How many children poured water bottle in the container? Okay, 600 liters. Do you understand? Question we can understand first step. Water bottle containing of each child equal to containing of each child is equal to how many liters of water ma? 2 liters of water. How many liters? Water bottle containing each child equal to how many liters? 2 liters. Next. The capacity of water container is equal to how many liters ma? 2 kiloliter. This one liters, this one liters, but this one kiloliters. Kiloliters is converted, 1 kiloliter equal to dash liters, 1000 liters is converted into liters. 2 into 1000 liter, that is equal to 2000 liters. Okay. The capacity of water container equal to how many liters ma? 2 kiloliters. Okay, 2 kiloliters. Is it converted into liters? Kiloliters is converted into liters. Next. Required fill the tank. Fill the tank equal to 600 liters. Last, how many bottle. Okay. Number of children. Number of children poured water bottle. Poured water bottle in the container. In the container, that is equal to in the container equal to 2 liters, 2000 liters, remaining fill water 600 liters. Total how many liters filled water? 2000 minus 600. Liters, that is equal to minus 1400 liters. Question, number of children kada, each children how many liters of containing water? 2 liters, that is equal to 1400 liters by 2 liters. Liters cancel. 2 ones, 2 sevens. That is equal to 700 children. Okay, have you understand question? This one container now. How many capacity of container? 2 kiloliters of capacity of container. Okay, next. Question next. Each child poured in 2 liters of water. Poured means 2 liters water fill the tank each child. Okay. This is a container. The capacity of container 2 kiloliters. This is example only. Okay. Next. Each child filled bring water 2 liters of poured water in container. Okay. Next, to be filled 600 liters. Total containing capacity is 2 kiloliters. Each child poured in water 2 liters. Next, to be filled 600 liters. Okay. How many number of children poured water? Question, are you understand? 2000. 2 kiloliters is converted into liters. 2000 liters. To be filled means subtraction only 1400 liters. Number of child means each child how many liters poured in water? 2 liters. Liters cancel. Okay. 2 ones, 2 sevens, 14 zeros, 700 children. Okay, cancellation didn't understand means division. 2 into 1400. 2 7 14 zeros 0. Okay, number of children poured water remaining 700 children. Okay. Okay. Thank you today.